Hello, class of 2023. I just wanted to say number one, how much I miss you guys. Um, we could have never imagined the school year to end the way it did. But nevertheless, so many of you guys still rose to the challenge of becoming online students um, and doing everything that you can to get the job done. And we really appreciate that. I want to say that from day one, it has been an honor to be your teacher. Um, I tell everybody, like, this has been my best year yet. And it's not because of me, but it's because of y'all. You all are so incredible. In class of 2023, I have so many dreams for you guys and hopes for you guys. And I know that we would like kind of stop and have these conversations in class just about life. And one thing that I hope you guys remember is, number one, writing is powerful, your voice is powerful, and that you matter. With everything going on in the world right now, Mr. Watson added in the slide you'll see later the poem First We Came. And I want you guys to remember everything that we talked about this year about using your voice and standing up for what is right. I want you guys to remember that we want you guys to have choice-filled lives. And with that comes hard work, right? And so as we move on in the summer, start thinking about what you can do to better yourself for 10th grade. Think about your credits. Think about that required seat time. Think about the goals that you have set for yourself and what you want to do with your life, and how you have the possibility of having everything that you want in this life, as long as you're willing to work hard for it. We are here for you guys. I know it's going to be the summer, but we still want y'all to contact us. Y'all have our numbers. Text us, DM us on Instagram. Send us an email. We want you guys to be safe. We want you guys to come back and be ready next year, however that may look, whether it's online or in the building, and we pray to God it's in the building. But we love you guys so much, and we just want the best for all of you, all 155 of our ninth graders. We love y'all, and we hope that you have a great summer, and thank you for an amazing year. And yep. All right, well, I'll see you guys later.